This is Greg Hutcheon from Cloud ERP and SCM Product Success Enablement, and this digital twin is representing me. I welcome you to this short overview of what's new in Solution Order Management in SAP S for HANA Cloud Public Edition, Release 2608. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 features that make it easier to configure, create, and extend solution orders, helping you work more efficiently and adapt the system to your specific business needs when optimizing your solution business. Let's get started. The first feature is all about giving you more control over how solution orders behave in your system. Key users are now able to customize and refine the default item category determination and define number ranges for service objects in solution orders. With Release 2608, we are introducing 2 new Self-Service Configuration UIs, one for defining your own custom number ranges, so your solution orders carry the order numbers that make sense for your business, and one for item category determination. This allows key users to define and assign custom number ranges to solution order transaction types, enabling unique order identification. It allows users to adjust the SAP-delivered item category determination for solution orders and other service transactions, and configure both default and selectable item categories by item category group. Item category determination controls which item types are automatically proposed when a product is added to a solution order. Previously, SAP shipped a standard set of defaults and alternatives covering the full range of service scenarios. But not every business needs every option. If your company, for example, always uses external service providers, you can now set external service as your default and remove the alternatives that are irrelevant to you. These capabilities reduce manual effort, improve process consistency, and accelerate the adoption of tailored solution business and service management scenarios. The second feature I'll highlight closes a long-standing gap between solution orders and sales orders, the order reason field. Up until now, order reason was only available on the sales order side. If your teams needed to categorize or track the reason behind a solution order, whether it's a new business win, a renewal, or an upsell, they had to add that information manually on the downstream sales order. That extra step created friction and inconsistency. With Release 2608, order reason becomes a native header field on the solution order, providing greater control and consistency throughout the sales process. Key users can define and configure order reasons using SSC UI, specify them directly on the solution order through the UI or API, and assign defaults where appropriate. The selected order reason is automatically replicated to the follow-up sales order through orchestration, ensuring consistent downstream processing and reporting without manual intervention. In addition, the Managed Solution Orders app now supports filtering and searching by order reason, making it easier to analyze pipelines, monitor business drivers, and generate meaningful reports. Together, these enhancements strengthen the integration between solution orders and sales orders, improve data quality, streamline operations, and reduce manual effort and operational costs through more efficient resource utilization. The final feature gives you greater control over what goes into your solution order output and when it gets sent. New extensibility options for output management in Solution Order are introduced in 2608, covering 2 complementary capabilities. The first is a data extension for output. When you send an order acknowledgement from a solution order, you may need to include information that lives in a downstream document. For example, a customer material number that is only stored on the generated sales order item, not on the solution order itself. Rather than duplicating that data into the solution order just for printing purposes, you can now define a data source extension that fetches it at output time directly from the relevant CDS view and includes it in the PDF or email sent to your customer. The configuration is done in the Custom Fields application at header or item level, and the same extensibility point works across solution orders, service contracts, and other service documents. The second part is output control, deciding when outputs should be sent. In some business cases, an order isn't considered complete until all follow-up processes, like downstream documents, are successfully created. To handle this, you can use events from these follow-ups to update a custom field in the solution order. Then, using output determination rules, you control whether the output, like an order acknowledgement, is sent or held back. This ensures communication only goes out when the entire process is truly complete. So that's 3 new features introduced to help you build and sell solution orders. I'll be back in the next public cloud ERP release with more innovations to share. Until then, join the conversation with our product experts in the SAP community. If you have enjoyed this product update, feel free to share it with your network. Thank you for your time.